Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable margin trading on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing is to make sure that you have finished your signing up or the process of uh, completing your account. So after that, you will be needing to go to your profile. And from there, we can go to the place where you can enable the margin trading. So after that, you have funds and you meet the eligibility requirements, you will need to apply for the margin trading. So now that you are on the profile settings or the profile tab, you will need just to go to this three bar menu and basically you will need just to click on it. Then it will take you to this menu. And if you are eligible to use Robinhood, you will have the investing option. So here I have reward, security, settings, and Robinhood Sports. And you will have an investing option that is added. You will click on the investing option, and then you will find many green buttons. And then you will need just to click on the one that says enable margin. And basically after clicking on it, it will redirect you to another pages. Then you will need just to follow the process. So basically they will ask you some questions and you will need just to answer them and then so they can meet or they can verify your eligibility, etc. And uh, if you are able to use the margins trading. And basically, when you finish the process, you will have your margin trading or margin that will be enabled on your Robinhood account. So basically, those are the steps that you will need to follow to enable margin. So thank you for watching and see you next time.